Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see introduction about the CLI commands, and in case you missed previous discussion about how to active Odoo 17 service, please check, link is given in the description. And if you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the Weblearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo development playlist available, different topic wise with the real test cases. So let's back to our main topic, like what is CLI commands and how we can use. So this is the introduction session about the CLI commands. So you already know like how to active the Odoo service, right? In this Python space Odoo-bin. But let's say I'm going to use here Python Odoo-bin, and if you know the Odoo version I'm using, right, so you can just use Python Odoo-bin and -v. Sorry, the double time we have to use like -v, and you can see here the Odoo server 17.0 right now we are using. Okay, let's say if you don't know the specific command and you want to know more about like all the commands with some description, so you can just use here --help, right? And you can see here the list of commands available. If you already know about the older versions, let's say the 11, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, right? So compare that Odoo version, you can see here more commands. So first we already saw like the version. In a short way we can use -v. Okay, and we just use this one --help. Now let's say the common options, right? You can see here in this list you can see all the common options. I will show you one by one which is required, right, and which is very important. I will show you all the commands. So here those are the common options. After that you can see here you can see HTTP service configuration related commands. You can see here, right, all of this one. Then after the web interface related, this is the one, but this is very useful, but don't worry, I will explain you in our further session. So let's say for the testing purpose, right, you want to use any specific command, so you can use this testing configuration related commands. Here you can see 5 different types of CLI commands available. After that, the logging configuration. So in the log file, right, particularly the log file related commands you want to use, you can just use this one. After that, the email configuration related commands, you can use this smtp configuration, and here it's having some commands. After that, the database related options also available, the commands, right, which we already used, like this -r and -w. What it is I will explain later, don't worry about this one. And after that, like the I-18 and internationalization, right, if you switch to one language to another language in Odoo, automatically it will translate the interface. So that specific topic wise you want to use some specific commands, you want to override actually, then you can use this one, these commands. After that, the security related, this is the one of the best command, right, especially for the production. After that, there is some advanced options also available. I will show you some the commands how to use. Then after, the multi-processing options also available here, and I will also show you how it will work in our upcoming session. So this is all about the CLI commands. And by the way, if you don't know what is the full form of the CLI, right, you can say like command line interface. So while you execute here, active the Odoo service, after that you can use such parameters, right? So this is the first argument and this is the argument value. This is the second one and its argument value, like this we are using at the moment, right? So these all are the Odoo CLI commands. So one more question you will rise, right? In the production server, or let's say in the dev server, I don't want to use commands, right? That is also possible. I will try to explain you how to create a new configuration file for the Odoo 17 version in our next session. So if you have any doubt related this basic CLI commands session, please comment below and see you in our next session.